The Life Coaching Toolbox is brought to you by Transformation Academy, a leading life coach training organization with nearly 1 million students from around the world. Develop skills and confidence through bite-sized coaching insights and processes. Visit transformationacademy.com for more information.
Hey Coach, welcome back to Life Coaching Toolbox, the podcast where we turn big dreams into bite-sized tools you can actually use. Today, we're diving into a tool that every coach has tried, and let's be honest, most have fumbled at least once. The free coaching session. You know what I'm talking about. You give your time, your energy, your soul. The client smiles, says, "This was amazing," and then vanishes like a ghost on Halloween. So let's fix that. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to structure a discovery session that actually converts without being salesy, awkward, or giving away your entire coaching brain for free. Ready? Let's do this. So first, let's shift the mindset. Your free session is not a full-on coaching session. It's a value conversation, a bridge, a sneak peek, not the whole movie. The biggest mistake coaches make is overgiving. You're not trying to prove your worth. You're helping potential clients see the gap between where they are and where they want to be and inviting them to take the next step with you. It's not manipulation. It's clarity. Here's one simple line I love. I only offer a few of these free sessions each month. That communicates value and sets boundaries. Now let's look at how to set expectations like a pro. Before you even get on the call, send them a short pre-session form. Ask, what's your biggest goal right now? And what are your top 2-3 challenges? Guess what? Have you already tried? This does two things. 1, it gets them thinking. 2, it frames the call as intentional, not just a casual chat. Also, I like to add this line in the pre-call email. At the end of our call, if it feels like a fit, I'll share how we can work together long-term. Now, they know the call might include an offer, and they're cool with it. Now, I want to go over the session structure that sells without selling. Here's how to structure it. 1, connection and trust. Start human. Be real. Ask how they're doing. Then ease into coaching mode. What's your biggest challenge right now? Listen. Reflect. Let them feel seen. 2, pain and possibility. Ask what's holding you back? What would success look like for you? You're helping them uncover the gap between their present and their potential. That gap is the opening for your coaching offer. 3, a mini win. Give them one small insight or reframe, not a full coaching session, just enough to create a spark. Make them think, if this is what 20 minutes looks like, imagine a full program. Let me share a story about a client that taught me a valuable lesson. I once gave a full hour-long free session. We mapped out goals, mindset blocks, even created a mini action plan. At the end, the client said, "Thanks, I think I'll just take it from here." Ouch. That's when I realized I wasn't previewing coaching. I was delivering it for free, without commitment. Lesson learned. Now I want to go over transitioning to the offer without the ick. This part scares a lot of coaches, but it doesn't have to be weird. Say something like, "Would you like help creating a plan to reach your goal?" Or, "If I could support you with this, would you like to hear how it works? I have a coaching package designed exactly for this. I'd love to support you." If they say yes, then confidently share. And if they hesitate, just ask, what's holding you back? You're not pushing. You're coaching through indecision. Now I want you to follow up like a boss. If they don't sign up right away, that's okay. But don't leave it open-ended. Schedule a follow-up on the call, even if it's just to check back in. Send a summary email, their goals, challenges, and how coaching helps. We include a testimonial or client success story for credibility. You'll follow up again in a few days with a friendly check-in. And that's the magic. Remember, your free coaching session isn't about proving yourself. It's about creating a moment where the client says, "I need support, and I want it from you." It's about structure, clarity, confidence, and an invitation into transformation. You've got this. Want to master the system and close more clients with ease? Check out our training, free coaching sessions that convert. You'll find the link in the show notes. If you loved this episode, be sure to follow, leave a review, and share it with your fellow coaches. Thanks for tuning into Life Coaching Toolbox, where your tools become your transformation. Catch you in the next one.
Don't forget to head to transformationacademy.com toolbox to download the free Life Coaching Toolbox, which includes 18 coaching activities and essential resources. Plus, take our free coaching roadmap quiz, designed to help you discover which life coach certification or business training is the perfect fit for your passion, skills, and goals. We've helped nearly 1 million coaches around the world find their path, and we'd love to help you find yours.